guys, Aniket here. In this video, I will make sure you get fully understanding of Czechia healthcare. After watching this video, you will have clear understanding of how healthcare works in Czech Republic. From basics to more advanced details. Let's get started. Czechia has a universal healthcare system funded by mandatory health insurance. If you work in Czechia, your employer typically deducts healthcare contribution from your salary. Self-employed individuals need to arrange payments themselves. Foreigners must have health insurance to get a visa or the permanent residence. I have covered mandatory health insurance in this video. You can check it out if you are not sure about this part. General practitioners is your first point of contact in case of any health problem. It also includes routine checkups and referrals to the specialist. You must register with a GP near your residence. They maintain your medical records and guide your care. Example, if you have persistent headaches, you visit your GP, who examines you and prescribes painkillers and refers to you neurologist. Polyclinika centers house multiple doctors and specialists. It often includes dentists, pediatricians, and dermatologists. Example, if you need a blood test, your GP refers you to Polyclinika Budějovica in Prague. You can also see a dermatologist there if needed. You can dial 112 for general emergencies and 115 for direct medical emergency like ambulance. Example, if you sprain your ankle while hiking, call 115 for an ambulance or visit nearest urgent care. Hospitals are usually used for severe injuries and surgeries. You may be referred here by your GP or specialist. Example, after your general practitioner detects a heart issue, you will refer to Nemocnice Motor, a leading hospital in Prague for cardiac care. Step 1. Register with GP. Choose a doctor near your area or get a referral from a friend. Some GPs may have waiting list or may not accept new patients, so inquire beforehand. Step 2. Booking appointments. Call or email. Schedule an appointment. Walk-ins are rare and it's best to book in advance unless it's urgent. Step 3. Visiting a doctor. Bring your insurance card and ID. Explain your symptoms. Many doctors speak English, but learning basic Czech phrase can help. Step 4. Medications. Prescription medications are available only at pharmacies. Over-the-counter options like painkiller are also available. Your GP provide referrals to the specialist like dermatologist, cardiologist, or orthopedic. Example, if you experience skin issues, your GP gives you a referral to Dr. ABC, a dermatologist at Polyclinika Visusani. Polyclinic use. Use a polyclinic for diagnostic tests like blood test or X-rays. Example, if you visit Polyclinika Visusani for dermatology appointment, after your consultation, you will get an X-ray for unrelated back pain, all in same building. Costs. Public healthcare is usually free, but cost exists for some specific procedures. Public healthcare covers your dermatology consultation, but you pay 50 Czech crowns for administrative fees and 150 Czech crowns for prescription ointment. Emergency care. Visit emergency department at hospitals for urgent issue. Emergency care is free for everyone, even if uninsured, but follow-up care can incur charges. For example, if you fall and suspect a broken wrist, you go to emergency department at Nemocnice. The care is free because you are insured. Some additional tips. Always carry insurance card. It's essential for accessing medical services. You can switch health insurance providers during certain periods, typically annually. Private clinics often provide faster service and English-speaking staff, but charge higher fees. Example providers include Canadian Medical or EUC Premium. Not all dental care is covered under public insurance. Preventative exams are usually free, but more complex work might require payment. If you have a chronic illness, register it with your GP to ensure regular monitoring. That's it for now. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some very important information like deadlines of universities on my Instagram channel. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.